Okay, I'm going to do a demonstration of a return cut. This is going to be both the left and right stringers. We're going to do one stringer at a time. Everything is going to be done without having to change the tooling. The only thing that's going to change is the program. So we're going to start with the standard program that was observed while you were here, and we're going to go ahead and cut this guy. Okay, so now we're going to navigate to the new program. So we're going to go to Recipe, so this is the new program. Going to go ahead and just move the wood over so we got fresh meat. Hit start. No chip out visible at all, even though there's a nasty knot right here. Everything came out real nice, and that was done pretty quick.